12. Do taxpayers have any rights? In 1979, Leslie Snyder, in her book Justice or Revolution, called attention to the fact that taxpayers have fewer rights than accused murderers. The accused murderer has the following rights. He is innocent until proven guilty, is informed of his constitutional rights, need not give evidence against himself, is entitled to trial by jury, prosecutor may not also be the judge, may not be prosecuted on basis of illegally obtained evidence, may not be punished on testimony of secret informers who cannot be cross-examined, may not be subjected to fines and punishments without due process of law. Page 148. The taxpayer has none of these rights. In other words, our laws regard the taxpayer as a dangerous man entitled to none of the rights granted to accused murderers. Now, I am not in favour of the tax revolt, but I can most certainly understand why it is spreading. When a country places penalties on its taxpayers which are not imposed upon suspected criminals, a number of people will most certainly rebel against the situation. Moreover, it creates a very dangerous climate of opinion. As I travel back and forth across the country, I find that a very large and growing number of people believe that the police spend more time writing out traffic tickets than trying to solve crimes. The traffic ticket is another tax on the tax-paying citizenry who resent the failure to solve most crimes and their readiness to tax or ticket the people. More than once, I have been told that city councils stress traffic tickets as a means of additional revenues. The American people resent injustice, and they are naturally rebellious. They do not take kindly to being exploited, and they do feel exploited. Taxation has become a means of exploitation. At the same time, it is an unhealthy situation whenever and wherever the people begin to regard their own civil governments as the enemy. It means that the civil government has become hostile to freedom and is at war with its own people. In such a setting, lawlessness proliferates and anarchy begins to take over. The purpose of civil government should be the protection of the people, not their exploitation by taxation. Do you feel protected or exploited and overtaxed? A growing number of Americans feel exploited and overtaxed.